on my lips.
What's up, guys? It's Ife Emmanuel, and if you're new to this channel, I'll make content basically on scholarships and study abroad, and I also give some secret and some hacks on how to secure the scholarships, things the scholarship board won't tell you. Yeah, and if you are coming from my previous channel, Exploit Me, I want to say a very big thank you, and I appreciate it a lot. And I promise you that this channel will be the game changer in the business of pushing you abroad. Yeah, and um in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to apply for the Romanian government scholarship. So stay to the end of this video. It is a fully funded one. It comes with tuition, accommodation, monthly stipends, 65 euros for bachelor's, 75 for masters, and 85 for PhD students, and also comes with study visa processing fee covered, and yeah, a lot of benefits. And at the end of this video I'll be revealing one big secret in securing this scholarship. Yeah, one they won't tell you. All right, so make sure you stick to the end. Now let's dive in right away. Now the first thing you want to do is to search for the website studyingromania.gov.ro. The link is in the description. You want to check it out. Once you do that, you get a web page like this. The next thing you want to do is to click on apply for MFA scholarships. Yeah, then after that you see something like applications are open, apply by 12th March 2025, which is the deadline. Yeah, then after that you have to click on apply now. Will be very swift. In less than 10 minutes we are here. Yeah, so I am already logged into one of my accounts. I will just log out. But in your case it won't be this way. In your case, once you click on apply now, you would see create an account here. Yeah, you'd see something like this, create your account. So I'll just click on that. So that you have to fill out this basic form. So your name, I'll just input, let's just make use of this name, Jaden and Emmanuel. Then my email, let me use one of my tutorial emails. Yeah, then password. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to create a very strong password, because websites like this are getting hacked these days, so you have to be very careful. Then the next thing you want to do is to enter the 5 characters from the validation email below. It's quite frustrating sometimes. Yeah, so the validation could have been sent, so you have to go to your email and you go to your spam folder. You can see it right here, scholarship account activation. It's normally in the spam folder. It's always there. Yeah, so you copy the code and make sure you check the footer of this email to make sure it is coming from MFA. Very important. Make sure it is like this. Yeah, let's make sure it's like this. Then go over to the activation code field and confirm the account. Account was created successfully. Go to login. You can exit this page. We are done with this. Yeah, so you have to input the email you used in creating this account. Then your password. And login. Make sure you save. Click on save so you won't have issues logging in again. So you log in with ease. Start the application process. Hope you guys are following it. It's very easy. Very easy. Then next thing you want to do is to check all this up, all this stuff here. Just check them up. You can read through it, but the number one thing is, if you are a member of a non-European country, then you are eligible. But if you are, then you are not eligible. You can see it is stated here. It is for countries that are not part of the European Union, and if you're in Africa, then you are already cleared. You are good to go. Then here the application has started. You fill in your personal information: first name, your last name, your father's name, his first name, your mother's first name, your sex, male or female, then your date of birth right here, then your civil status: are you single, married, blah blah blah, divorced or widowed. If you have an occupation, yeah, you can input it. Your workplace, input it. Then you save and verify. Make sure you save and verify before you go over to the next step, so you don't lose your information. You can see changes were saved. Yeah, then you go down and you click on next step. This is very important, please. Then the next thing you will be seeing is location and ID. Yeah, so here you have to input your country of birth, where you were born. Input the country, the city, as stated in your passport or national identification. It should align with the details on your national identification, please. If not, it is a very big problem. Then the country that issued your national identification, input it. The serial number, input it. For the serial number, it is something like this. It is just a number. If you are for most country, then for your passport it has letters and it also have numbers. Yeah, something like this, something of this sort. Yeah, then the date it was issued, also input it, and the expiry date, input it. Then the country of residence, where you stay, and your city too. Then your complete postal address. It is just your home address and your postal address. So once you are done with your home address, just put a comma and you include your postal address, something like this. Then your citizenship, yeah, you put it, which is your nationality. Then you save and verify. As always, do not forget, always save and verify. And then you click on next step. We're already halfway. We are getting there. Now the studies and documents. Now desired degree of studies: bachelor's, master's, blah blah blah. Let's go with bachelor's. Then do you need a Romanian preparatory year? If you are not conversant to the language, you click on yes. If you are, you click on no, because I think clicking on no gives you an edge over others, because they would feel this person knows a lot about us. If he knows the language, they would see this level of seriousness in you. They would say, wow, he went ahead to learn our language because he was interested in studying here in our country. So it kind of gives you some edge over others. But do not lie, tell them yes or no. If you don't know the language, just click on yes. They'll be giving you a 1 year language course. Yeah, and I think even if you click on no, you would still have to do the preparatory year. It's like it's almost impossible. It's kind of mandatory. I'll show you something. Yeah, because the university you have to select for the preparatory year is also there. You have to select one, so it's almost compulsory. So your high school grade, it could be in decimal, it could be in percentage, or statement. Decimal in the sense something like this: 99.87, and percentage something like 85%, and words it could be very good or excellent. Yeah, so most schools make use of decimal, which is, let's say 3.5, and the total grade point is normally 4.0 or 5.0 in Africa. Yeah, so yeah, this is the high school grade. Yeah, most persons do have 3.5, 3.0 over 4.0, yeah, over 5.0. Then you also have to convert this 3.5 to the Romanian grading system. Don't worry, I'll be showing you how to do that. It's very easy. So if you have 3.5, the Romanian grading system is always over 10. So you just divide this 3.5 by your total grade point. If it's 4.0, if it's 5.0, so then I'll use 5.0. So if we say, let's open our calculator. Let me make this very, very practical now. I know most persons are confused. A lot of persons have been coming to my DM asking me about this. So let's say 3.5 divided by the total grade point 4.0 times multiplied by 10, you'll be getting 8.75. So this is your grade in the Romanian grading system, 8.75 over 10. Just check the description, you'd see some guides on how to do this if you didn't catch it right here, because we don't have time. So the diploma issued by what country, you input it here, then your curriculum vitae. Now this is what I said I'll be telling you guys at the end of this video. We are already at the end. Your curriculum vitae is your resume, and you know you are applying for a scholarship in a country that is part of the European Union, and you have to upload your CV in the European format. So there is a link to create an European CV. The link is in the description. It is called Europa's CV. Your CV should be in the Europa's format. If it is not in the Europa's format, then I don't think you are ready, because they normally use this to screen a lot of students, and they terminate some students' application just because of this. They won't tell you, but this is like a trap. So make sure you are doing everything well. Create your CV in the Europa's format. The link is in the description. Once you are done creating it, you will download it and upload right here. Then upload your birth certificate, all pages with content. Upload your passport or national identification, first 3 pages with content, which is the passport data page, the one that bears your photograph and the number, the passport number, the date of expiry and all that. The same with your national identification, the data page, the same thing. Then upload your marriage certificate, divorce sentence, blah blah blah, if you have, and should be all pages with content. This is normally for people going for masters or PhD, because bachelors are not yet married. Yeah. Then upload your high school diploma. Please don't make this mistake. Make sure it is front and back. Upload the front and back. Scan both the front and the back. If you are scanning both the front and the back, it will be a 2 page just file. 2 pages file. Yeah. It should be in one file. You can see the same file. Yeah. Then your high school transcript, upload it. Transcript is a combination of your senior secondary school results, yeah, normally from grade 10 to 12 or grade 11 to 12. Yeah. Then upload your certificate for candidates in their last year of studies. This is for people who are awaiting their results, normally grade 11 students. For those that have not gotten their diploma, yeah, or you are a grade 12 student but your diploma is not yet out, you just upload your last results or certificate. This is what it means. Then you save and verify. We are already at the end of the tutorial. Yeah, we are already at the end. Network is a bit bad. Then I just saved and I verified, so I'll be clicking on next step. Now we are going to the program and university selection, the most important part here, one that a lot of you have been waiting to see. Now, like I said before, you have to select the university for the Romanian preparatory year. So you choose, you can see the list of universities here. This is real, okay? These are the list. So the Bolia University is like the highest, is one of the universities that accepts a lot of students. Like they have a very high acceptance rate, so you can go with Bolia, yeah. You can select them for all, yeah, for the first choice. They can be your first choice, then you select another. It depends. If you're going for engineering, we have technical universities. Architecture, we have University of Architecture, but Boreal is one that accepts a lot of students. That's why I love mentioning the name of that university. So let's say your first choice is Maritime University. For those going for marine courses, they have Maritime University, which I just selected. You, you can see here the preparatory year. You will study the preparatory year for Romanian language at selected university, what I told you about. Yeah. Then back to this place. The study domain, what you want to study. Let's say marine engineering and navigation. Yeah. Then option 2. Let's say you want to go for engineering. Let's say technical university. This is a very good university, Cluj-Napoca, for those going for technical and engineering courses. Cluj-Napoca is one of the best. Then your study domain, let's say automotive engineering. Then you save and verify. then preview your application. In my next video, I'll be telling you a lot of things that can help you get the scholarship, the required grade, a certain grade you need in order to qualify, and the ones that won't get you anywhere. You just have to forget about it. And the way you select the university and the courses, it also helps because they are high. There are courses that have a lot of competition. I'll be telling you a lot. So guys, you can't afford to miss. Subscribe to this channel. I know I am saying this. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Like this video right now. Share with your friends. Okay. So guys, once you do this, you would see something like submit right here. But they said go back and review because you didn't select this field. You can see they are all empty. So once you go back to review and you select them, you will see submit right here, and you just click on submit, and that's it. So guys, it's very easy. It's a very easy application process. Yeah, in my next video I'm gonna be giving you a lot of secrets, guys. A lot. It will be a special video for secrets on how to get the scholarship, guys. The way you choose your university matters a lot. The way you choose your university matters a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you all this in my next video. All right. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. All right. I'll see you in my next video.